My name is Anthony Carimiguera. I'm in Professor Buchanan's 11 a.m. 6 MGT 16 Personal Ethics at Work class section B00. Today, the prompt is I have read the code of conduct of Google, and this is what it tells me about the company. After reading the code of conduct of Google suppliers and participants of Google events, um, it's clear to me that Google as a company takes great responsibility in itself as a leader in an ethical supply chain. So the document itself is very detailed. It covers a wide variety of topics such as wages, safety, environmental impact, and anti-corruption. Um, Overall, I think Google or its code of conduct shows that Google takes a great responsibility in its um, values and its ethical decisions and risks. I'm gonna be applying it to the class topics of ethical approach, the three ethical approaches, utilita utilitarianism, duties and principles, and integrity and character. Um, for utilitarianism, um, it focuses on maximizing the good overall for the most amount of people, and minimizing the negatives. Google shows this by banning recruitment fees and requiring safe conditions for workers and um, surrounding communities, which is a larger number of people, or maximizing the positive impact, if that makes sense. For duties and principles, Google shows this because most of the Google's rules, such as like no bribery, respect privacy, tell the truth, and records are obligations and they're principle based, meaning that it follows the idea that um, if everyone acted this way, what kind of world would we live in? Which is exactly what principles and duties um, is defined as. For integrity and character, Google emphasizes this through the use of transparency, integrity through transparency. It allows honest reportings. So it asks its participants and suppliers to be honest in their dilemmas and conflicts, and it follows the what would a good person do, um, which is defined as, or integrity and character is defined as. And I'm also going to be connecting it to why wearing fakes makes us cheat more. I guess it's the reading argues that a small dishonest act creates moral disengagement and increases future unethical behaviors. Basically, meaning if you're willing to cheat by wearing fakes, you're more likely to cheat in something else. Um, and I guess Google's code tries to prevent these minor violations, and also banning like small or making restrictions around small violations or um, like ways to cheat the system a little or be a little dishonest. So kind of prevents us or the suppliers and participants to fall down or found fall down that slippery slope of that of like cheating more or being more dishonest. Overall, this tells me that Google wants to maximize positive outcomes in its supply chain. Um, it has a very ethical approach. It's fair. It touches um, a wide variety of people and of topics as well. Um, and it uses the use of reporting and documentation as well as files and records for its ethical reasoning, if that makes sense. It connects to the 8-step model, I believe. Yeah, basically saying that first gather the facts, and they do that through reporting and documentation and files. So yeah, overall, Google is trying to build an ethical system that balances consequences, principles, and integrity. Um, exactly what we've learned in class. Thank you.